Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you have a pencil and paper to take proper notes. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Today we're going to cover solving one-step addition equations. The goal once you finish this lesson is that you will be able to write and solve addition equations by using the subtraction property of equality, also referred to as inverse, the inverse operations. So what we know about addition is that its inverse is subtraction. So in order to solve the equation x plus 4 equals 7, we are going to use what's called the inverse operation, and also referred to as the subtraction property of equality. So a couple of things that we need to recall is that they want us to solve for the variable x, which means that we need to isolate x. We need to get x alone by itself. Right now we have an equation that states that x plus 4 equals 7. The equal sign lets me know that I am dealing with an equation, and it also lets me know that this equation is separated into a left side and a right side. And the goal again is to get x by itself, in this case on the left side. So I'm going to use a strategy to where I pretend as if equal sign is a street. So imagine that you're in your neighborhood and you have a street. That's going to be our equal sign. You have the right side of the street, the left side of the street. I'm also going to put what I call a house around the variable that I am trying to solve for. So since I'm trying to solve for x, I'm going to put my house around x. This is going to help guide me on which steps to take in order to isolate x, in order to get x alone. So everything or every number, every term that's on the left side, on the same side as my house, must be moved to the opposite side of the street by doing the opposite operation or the inverse operation. So here's my house. My plus 4 is on the outside of the house. So that's what I'm going to focus on moving first. And since it is plus 4, I'm going to do the inverse operation of plus, which is minus. And what I do to one side of the street, you must do to the other side of the street. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. All right, once you do that, we know that positive 4 minus 4 is 0. But as mathematicians, we say that it cancels out. And then we need to simplify on the other side of the street. The 7 minus 4, which simplifies to 3. I'm going to bring down my variable with the house around it, and now bring down my equal sign. And now you can see I have x by itself, and x is going to equal to 3. All right, I can take it a step further to check my answer. So I'm going to check my answer by rewriting my original problem, which was x plus 4 equals 7. And now in the place of x, I'm going to put my solution, which was 3. And then I'm going to test it to make sure that the left side equals the right side. So I'm going to replace x with 3, and then I'm going to bring down the other information from the original equation. The plus 4, the equal sign, the 7. I'm going to place a question mark over my equal sign because I am testing to make sure that my answer is correct, and until I know for sure, it's my way of reminding myself that this is just a test. All right, once I do my substitution, I simplify. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 will always equal 7, so that lets me know that my answer is correct. My x is equal to 3. All right, let's do a quick recap. So again, this is solving one-step addition equations. The goal is to be able to write and solve addition equations by using the subtraction property of equality, which is also referred to as your inverse operation. Our equation that we're trying to solve is x plus 4 equals 7. We made the equal sign our street. We put our house around the term that we're trying to isolate, which is our term with x, because that's what we're trying to solve for. And then everything on the side with the house needs to be moved to the other side of the street by using your inverse operation. And we know that the inverse of plus 4 is minus 4. So we subtracted 4 from both sides, equal sign. Our plus 4 minus 4 ends up having a value of 0, which we say as mathematicians cancels out. I'm going to bring down my x, bring down my equal sign, and 7 minus 4 simplifies to 3. We then checked our answer by rewriting the original problem, plugging 3 in for our x, brung down our plus sign, brung down our 4, our equal sign, and 7. I put a question mark over the equal sign because this is my test to make sure my work is correct. Then I'm going to simplify 3 plus 4. That does equal 7, and 7 will always equal 7, so we are correct. If you have any questions, please comment below this video. Make sure you remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. Thanks.